we're gonna make some green juice, you know, to just amplify the little energy where we feel. And I got a new blender, so we're gonna unbox that and come back. So for this green juice, we use a couple ingredients: ginger, cucumbers, kale, spinach, green apples, lime. You will see them listed coming up, right? And I love this green juice because it gives me so much energy, and it definitely helps with bloating and gut health. Okay, so here we're just gonna blend all our ingredients. I used 2 cucumbers, 2 stalks of celery, an apple, a lot of ginger, 3 leaves of kale, 2 cups of spinach. Yeah, I think. Oh, and a quarter cup of lime juice. And also, I think I used a total of like 3.5 to 4 cups of water for blending. Okay, so after it finished blending, I did strain it. Okay guys, so that is all for this video. I'm already halfway through the glass. But anyways, bye. See you in my next one.